Hello guys, if you want to redshirt players in your dynasty in college football 27, it's actually a really useful feature, especially if you want younger players to develop before they see the field. Here's how to do it. First, load into your dynasty, then use R1 on PlayStation or RB on Xbox to move across the tabs at the top until you reach the team section. Inside the team menu, select redshirts. This will bring up a complete list of every player currently on your roster. From here, you can sort the list by position or switch the sorting to class here, making it much easier to find freshmen or any other players you want to redshirt. In most cases, you'll want to redshirt freshman players. Doing this allows them to spend a season developing while still keeping all 4 years of playing eligibility. When you have found the player you want to redshirt, simply select them and apply the redshirt. The game will mark them as a redshirt player for that season. Keep in mind though, if redshirting that player would leave your team without enough players at that position, the game won't let you apply the redshirt until you have sufficient depth on the roster. And that's all there is to it. Just head to the team tab, open redshirts menu, choose the player you want and apply the redshirt to help build your team for future seasons. Hope this helps. Leave a like and subscribe my channel. For now, thanks for watching.